In the mystical realm of Devpuram, a cataclysmic war ravaged the land, pitting the demons Asuras against the people. Mangesh, a skilled archer, and Rohini, a gifted priestess, found themselves hunted by the demons of hatred. Their love marriage, a union between a warrior and a priestess, defied the Asuras' ancient laws. As they fled through the enchanted forest, the demons ambushed them. Mangesh fought valiantly, but was gravely injured. Rohini, with her sacred powers, summoned a divine shield, protecting them from the demons' dark magic. Guruji, a wise sage, appeared, invoking the gods to aid the couple. The gods, moved by their love and bravery, bestowed upon them a powerful blessing. Mangesh and Rohini merged their energies, unleashing a radiant blast of light that repelled the demons. With the demons vanquished, the couple reached the sacred temple of Lord Vishnu. There, they performed a sacred ritual, sealing their love forever. The temple's ancient magic amplified their bond, making them invincible. As the war subsided, Mangesh and Rohini emerged as heroes, their love becoming a beacon of hope. They ruled Devpuram with wisdom and compassion, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. The people prospered, and the gods smiled upon the couple, their love becoming a legend that inspired generations to come. In the end, Mangesh and Rohini's love triumphed over the forces of hatred, proving that true love can conquer even the darkest of evils. Their story was etched in the annals of Devpuram's history, a testament to the transformative power of love. The couple's love became a guiding light, inspiring future generations to defy the forces of darkness and embrace the power of love. Mangesh and Rohini's love continued to flourish, inspiring a new era of peace and harmony in Devpuram.